How to use Amazon Household to share Prime benefits. So for that, let's open our Prime video first, and then from here what you're going to do is tap on new and select adult, then tap on continue and add another profile. So in here simply write your profile name, and if you want to you can change the image, and after doing that what you can do is simply tap on save right here. So after doing that, here you can see we have successfully created our profile, and in here what are we gonna do is now authorize wallet sharing. So in order to do that, tap on the profile just like this and open the profile, and in here simply tap on my stuff, then tap on the settings icon right here, and then from here what you're gonna do is keep on scrolling until you find the option of my account. Tap on that one, then tap on manage account. So after doing that, here you will get the option of wallet sharing. So what you're going to do is simply tap on that option and go along with the process of how you can share your wallet. So I don't have the subscription for it, so it's not giving me the option. If you do have subscription, it will give you the option of authorized wallet. So what you're going to do is select a specific digital content and Kindle books you want to share via family, library or library checkbox. Then click on send invite, and the recipients must click on the verification link to their email within 14 days of active connection. So what you want to do is tell your family to open the email and simply verify it. So after doing that, after linking your account grants access to the primary Prime perks while keeping your individual purchase histories, browsing records, wish list and password completely private and by all of the members, and like that you will be able to get all of the benefits of Share Prime, and that's it.